MarketPulse, Tuesday, April 7th. Futures slide as the Iran deadline clock ticks toward tonight, and oil holds above 114 a barrel. S&P Futures at 66.23, down about 0.4%. Nasdaq losing more ground, down 0.5% to 24,227. The Dow holding up better, 46,798, off just 0.2.
All eyes on Trump's 8 p.m. Iran deadline tonight. The president demanded Tehran reopen the Strait of Hormuz or face escalated military action. Iran has rejected the ceasefire offer, and hopes of a last-minute deal are fading fast. The VIX jumped 5% overnight to 25.45, signaling traders are bracing for a binary outcome.
Energy remains the only sector in the green this year, riding the oil surge higher. XLE is the clear leader again this morning. Technology under pressure, with the Nasdaq leading losses. XLK down over 0.5%. Defensives like utilities and staples holding up relatively better as traders rotate into safety. Defense names continue to outperform with KTOS and LMT, both higher pre-market on escalation fears. Halliburton and SLB getting a bid from elevated crude. Bitcoin-sensitive names like MSTR ticking higher as crypto holds near 68,000. Tesla leading the decliners again, down about 2% pre-market on continued delivery concerns. Semiconductors under pressure with the Nasdaq weakness, dragging AMD and Qualcomm lower. Airlines getting hit as jet fuel costs remain elevated with crude above 114.
Commodities and rates. WTI crude is at 115.21. Brent at 110. These are war premium levels. If the deadline passes with no deal, expect crude to spike further. Gold is steady at 46.80, holding near record highs. The 10-year yield is at 4.33, unchanged. Bitcoin slipped to 68,395 as crypto pulls back on risk-off sentiment. Light day today with consumer credit at 3 p.m. Eastern. The real event is Trump's 8 p.m. Iran deadline. Bank earnings season kicks off later this week with JPMorgan and Wells Fargo on Friday. CPI inflation data also due Friday, making this a loaded back half of the week.
3 things to watch today. Number 1, the Iran deadline at 8 p.m. Deal means oil crashes and risk rallies hard. No deal means crude spikes and VIX could hit 30+. Number 2, watch the 10-year yield. A move above 440 signals bond markets pricing in war inflation. Number 3, Bitcoin holding 68,000. Crypto is front-running risk sentiment and could be the early tell on headlines. MarketPulse is for informational and educational purposes only. Nothing in this episode constitutes financial advice or investment recommendations. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results.